You got a fast car, I got a ticket to run away. Maybe we make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere, and a place is better. We're starting from zero, got nothing to lose. So maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car, I got a plan to get us out of here. Been working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs. Finally see what it means to be living. So I remember when we were driving in your car. Speed too fast, I feel like I was drunk. City lights laid out before us. I felt nice right around my soul.